Hey, you little twerp!
What?
Give me your lunch money!
But I don't have any lunch money.
Nickels, dimes, and quarters, I want it all.
But I'm telling you, I don't have any money to give.
Prove it! Empty your pockets now!
Okay. You asked for it.
Oh, I was just kidding.
Hey there, Playmo pals. Hope you like that intro. Today we're taking a look at set number 70814. This is, I think it's just called the Ninja. Maybe I should have looked it up before production began on this video, but I've been riding high on the wave of all the great clickies released by Playmobil for the Naruto Shippuden line, and just couldn't wait to showcase this clicky here, even if he is unrelated to the Naruto franchise. I do like this hairstyle. It was the main selling point for me on this one. It's just nice to see a common piece like the hair done in a different style. Hopefully this means we'll get more styles in upcoming Playmobil releases. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to go by. We can clearly see what we're getting in the inside of the box here. We do have a little bit of a pagoda type structure in the background with the sunset. Beautiful sunset, by the way. And it's very symbolic of Japan and their culture. Nothing else going on here on the front. There's obviously nothing on the sides, and on the back we have our country of manufacture and all the choking hazard warnings in various languages, as well as our ninja. So enough of the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. The Playmo-Friends packages. Best way to open it, possibly the only way to open it, is through the bottom. Oh, there goes my dog. She's just waking up from her slumber. Whoa, look at that. He is so quick that he has just disappeared from the box. He is that skilled, you guys. You cannot stop this mastermind ninja. Here he is outside of the box. I do like, again, his hair is pretty cool. It almost looks like it might be, without having seen it before, looks like it might be an additional piece. Now, like the Naruto clicky, he does come with two hair pieces, and it is kind of held and hidden by the headband here. It is two pieces for sure, and so they have the same trick on him. They've got the headband wrapped right around the little cut there where the two pieces meet. So we got your typical Playmobil style head. This one's slightly different from the normal version. We have this piece right here that just looks like this head of hair was pushed upward, and that is pretty cool. I do like that idea. I'm surprised they don't just make one solid hair piece like that. I wonder what would stop them from doing that. And here's our Ninja Clicky once again, out of his plastic prison, equipped with everything he needs to carry out his mission to strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger. Sorry, couldn't help myself, had to do it. He is equipped with this mini crossbow pistol for easy access and transport. I can imagine it's light and simple to load. Not to mention it gives our ninja the ability to silently stalk his intended target from a safe distance. I like how the copper coloring of the crossbow complements the gold. Speaking of gold, our ninja comes with this golden ninja sword. The sword held by a ninja is called a ninjato, which can be stored and carried by sliding it through a small sheath on the sash of his outfit. Sorry, I'm just liking the gleam shining off of the sword blade here. It's kind of nice. That's just the kid in me. The only beef I have with this particular figure is that face mask. As you can see, it doesn't stay up very well. I mean, it does stay up, but it doesn't take much to go back down. But it does expose your clicky's mouth. And that concludes our unboxing and review of the Playmobil Playmo-Friends Ninja Klicky. That was a mouthful. Overall, a great figure with a teeny tiny bit of room for improvement, but also not enough needed to warrant this a bad product. Hope you liked our video today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet for more Playmobil content. There's more to come, and our audience is what makes it worthwhile. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, where it's all Playmobil all the time. You can find us at playmo.af. We'll be back again with another Playmobil unboxing and review, and we'll have an important announcement soon, so be sure to check those out too. Until then, have a great day, and we'll see you right here on Playmo AF. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.